Hello learners. Today you all will be having a brief introduction about creation of cross wires and direct cables. What is a cross wire? An Ethernet crossover cable is a crossover cable for Ethernet used to connect computing devices together directly. It is most often used to connect two devices of the same type, example two computers, via their network interface controllers or two switches to each other. What is a straight cable? A straight through cable is a type of twisted pair cable that is used in local area networks to connect a computer to a network hub such as a router. How cross cable is created? Crossover cables. These are used to connect two computers or similar devices directly together, such as computers or hubs. To create a crossover cable is to rearrange the wires on one end of standard Ethernet cable so that they are in the following order, starting at pin 1, white or green, second, green, third, white or orange, fourth must be white or brown, fifth, brown, sixth, orange, seventh, blue, eighth, white or blue. The purpose of a crossover cable. An Ethernet crossover cable is a crossover cable for Ethernet used to connect computing devices together directly. It is most often used to connect two devices of the same type. Difference between straight cable and cross cable. Straight through cable connects a computer with a cable or DSL modem's LAN port. Crossover cable connects with the router's LAN port with switch or hub normal port. You can connect two switches hubs by using the normal port in both switches or hubs. Straight through cables are mainly used for connecting. The importance of creating straight through cable. Straight through cable is used to connect computers and other end user devices, example printers, to networking devices such as hubs and switches. It can be used to directly connect like devices, example two hubs or two switches. If the cable is plugged into an uplink port on one but not on both of the devices.